Sharing a meal with friends and family? Don't forget the apps. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee Registered Dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to wow your guests with a mouth-watering recipe for layered nacho dip and sweet potato chips. Not only is this starter allergy-friendly, but it's also jam-packed with vitamins and nutrients. First things first, add a teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 halved avocado, a tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and 1.5 teaspoons of lime juice to your food processor. Put on the lid and blend until it's smooth. Then pour the mix into a small bowl. At this point, you'll want to chop the remaining avocado half and stir it into the pureed mixture. Then cover and refrigerate. Now it's time to talk turkey. Take ½ pound of lean ground turkey and cook it in a skillet over medium heat. This bird is a great source of lean protein, as well as vitamins B6 and B12. Once our fowl is nice and brown, add 1.5 cups of pico de gallo, ½ cup of black beans, and cook until they're both heated through. Finally, move your turkey mix into a serving bowl and place your avocado blend on top. Sprinkle the whole combo with cilantro. Serve with sweet potato chips. And you've got a delicious start to your meal. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.